Hi, in this video I want to show you how to create your own website. So you go to Google and you just type GoDaddy, enter, then you can go to the GoDaddy website. Depends which country you're, but you just enter godaddy.com, and then here you just type the domain that you want to buy, what your website want it to be. For me, I want it to be whoopintheTube.com. If you don't put .com, it will give you some suggestion, but if you put .com, it will give the price for .com. So once you enter name, press enter. So it says whoopintheTube.com is there, is available, and it will cost me just £1 to buy it, but the actual price would be higher, you would see later. And also he suggests me if I would want .co.uk as well, it would just cost me less than a p. But if you look here, it says the first year will cost you this much, but the next year will cost you £12. And I don't think I want to have two. I think one would be enough, so I will continue with just .com. Also, you can see the other suggestions that it's giving you. You can select at different costs. Then what you need to do is to click on add to cart, then continue to the cart. So now here it gives us additional options. For example, it gives us the security, full domain privacy and protection, which will cost us £6 per year per domain, or you could choose none of them. For this example, I will use the first one, full domain privacy and protection. I think it's not a bad price, but it depends on your website. If it's your main website and you use it regularly and a lot, maybe it's not a bad idea. Also, it gives you an option to create your own website with some help. There is a website builder that GoDaddy has that you can use to build your website after buying the domain. So I checked that. Here also gives you Linux web hosting. There are some examples of Linux web hosting. WordPress, very famous one. Also it gives you the price. So here are different options. Bear in mind that this time the price is per month, not per year, so it can be more costly than that. So I would say no thanks. Obviously later on you can come back and change it so you purchase the domain. Once you're happy with all these options, you go back up and click on continue to cart. As you can see, now the price has gone up. It says the renewals cost is around £16. So the first year we pay 99p, and the second year we pay £17. And then full domain protection, also the second year will be high. And the web builder free trial is just 1 month free, and then later on you have to pay. So, and if your website is not fully developed yet, nobody would want to, I think, hijack it anyways. If you start to see that you're making a good profit from your website, then it maybe makes sense to add that cost. So now we can also, this full domain privacy and protection, we can click on this to delete this, and now price is a bit reduced, comes down more reasonable. Also you have here options of going up to 10 years. Then you pay a fixed price of £146 for 10 years. So we go for 2 years, because 2 years it has a bigger percentage off. Now here you can create an account, or if you already have an account, you can click on sign in. So I've just signed in because I already got an account. After you logged in, you just click on complete purchase. Here it is, it's completed now. Now you can click on launch website builder, just there. Now we need to click on use my domain. Then we can click on build a new website. Obviously you can do other stuff here. So if we click on build, so here you got a couple of options about your website type, whether it's personal, whether it's business. So for me it's personal, and again, whether you want it to be very simple or you want it to be more complicated, you need to have some knowledge of HTML and CSS. I'll select this because I like complicated, but it says then manage WordPress is recommended and it costs £3 a month. But if you go with this, you could start a free trial. So with this we start a free trial and gives you the date. Continue. What is the type of website you have? Mine is online video channel, so I select that, then click next. Here I suggest you to type the name of your website that you want it to be, but in this example I will not type any name. I will just use the default and I press next to show you how you can change it later on. So the first thing we can do is just change the name. This is a stupid name, so let's change it to the channel's name. Before exploring anything further, I think it's important to go and select theme and try a new look and see whether there would be any other one that would look better for our website. You can see here different options. After scrolling through a bit, I think I like this one more because it puts my channels in a square. So I select this theme. So by clicking any area, you could change the elements in that area. So I click now in this area and you can select different accents, or you can change the cover, make it like this, make it like this, make it like that, or you can even change the image by clicking on change image. You can select on logo and drag and drop a logo from your computer. So I drag and drop my logo. If you're not using a map, just select it and you can just delete this. So in order to get rid of the map, all you got to do is to select this, and the right hand side you see we are on the section called contact us, and here we got an option saying show map. Just select that so that the map would not be shown. Select social media. If you see a section that you don't really want, you can just click on select it and then click on delete, and I just delete it, rid of it, customize it the way you want. Add another, you can delete, you can do whatever you want here. Add another section. So in this section I would like to add my video, so you select this which talks over here, then you can click on media, and then we can click on video and we can add our own link to our own video. So I go to my channel, so I open a video from my channel, I click on share, I click copy, I go back to the web page, Ctrl A, then Ctrl V, and then click done. You can see my video is now showing there. For example, here you can say in this video I'll show you how to use WhatsApp both on the phone as well as tablet. And then you can write as much description as you want. Once you're done, just click done. There are other things that you can just in the same manner change. Once you're happy with your changes, all you need to do is to click on publish, or before publishing you can preview it by clicking on preview. This is how it will look in the preview, and then click on publish. You want to publish in your own domain that you just bought. Click on save and publish. It's almost live. Let's see whether it is actually live. So we go view the site. Obviously this is before it's been published completely. So if I open a new browser and type in my website.com and enter, you can see here that my website is already up. and running, and you can put again as many things as you want. So this is the website. Obviously it will take me a long time to show you to create the whole website, but this should give you enough grounds to create your own version of the website that you want. Another important point is I started using Opera browser, but GoDaddy didn't work, and then changed to Microsoft Edge and it still didn't work, and finally I went to Google Chrome and it worked. So I suggest you to start this process using Google Chrome. It's the safest and it works. If you're facing this issue, let me know in the comments. Just a few more points to summarize. What we have done here was just to buy domains, bought bhupindertube.com domain, and we got a trial for 1 month to use this website builder. Once this 1 month is finished, the website would not be displayed and will come down. You need to find another service to be able to keep your website live. The website and the domain are two different things. So if I click on again here on my website, you can click on edit website, and if I go to another tab and type in my website, you can see this strange number shows up on the top of my website. If you want to fix this, you need to go to your website, go to the settings, go to the basic information, and then there is a place called site name. Initially when you're setting up your website, there was a site name. I didn't put the site name there, but I'm putting it here. You can still change the categories if you want to. Once you change your site name, click on done and you publish again. Until you don't publish, your changes wouldn't show. If I go and click on visit website, you can see on the top it says also bhupindertube rather than this machine generated number. In the comments below, if you let me know which website building platform you use and what you think is the best one, so that other viewers could follow. I will be creating more tutorials on improving website. This is just so that you could get started. That's it. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to check my website now, and I might add more. I would probably change this quite a bit, and you can have a better look of where it stands now. If this video was useful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.